Welcome back to Heal, Thrive, Evolve. Today we're diving into a hot topic, wellness shots versus drinking teas. Before we start, click that subscribe button below. This way you won't miss any videos and it actually helps the channel grow. Both are popular in the health world, but which one is better for you? Stick around as we explore the pros, cons, and hidden benefits of both. Let's get started. First up, let's break down wellness shots. Those tiny bottles of potent nutrients that claim to boost your health instantly. Wellness shots are trending and for a good reason. But what makes them so special? Quick nutrient boost. These little shots pack concentrated superfoods like ginger and turmeric. In just a few sips, you get a nutrient-dense punch. Convenience on the go. Perfect for hectic mornings or travel. Pop one in your bag and you're ready to go. High absorption rate. Some wellness shots are designed to be absorbed faster than solid foods, making them a quick pick-me-up when you need an energy boost. Superfood power. Many wellness shots include adaptogens, like ashwagandha or ginseng, which can help your body manage stress. But these health shots aren't without their downsides. A single shot can cost anywhere from $3 to $7. Buying them regularly could stretch your budget. Wellness shots have intense flavors. If you've tried a ginger shot, you know it hits hard. The flavors can be an acquired taste. Wellness shots have limited hydration. Since the serving size is so small, you won't be getting much hydration along the way. Wellness shots are limited. The options can feel repetitive after all. How many combinations of ginger, turmeric, and lemon can you really try? Now, let's talk about tea. Tea lovers know there's nothing quite like brewing a fresh pot. Let's explore why tea has stood the test of time. Since tea is mostly water, it helps you stay hydrated throughout the day. From green and herbal teas to oolong and matcha, there's a flavor and benefit for every mood and need. Brewing tea can be a calming ritual, promoting relaxation and reducing stress, perfect for a mindful moment in your day. Teas are generally cheaper than wellness shots, especially if you buy loose-leaf tea in bulk. But tea isn't perfect either. While teas offer many benefits, they generally don't deliver the same nutrient density as wellness shots. Brewing a good cup of tea takes time, which may not fit into everyone's busy routine. If you're sensitive to caffeine, some teas like black and green tea might not be ideal for evening consumption. Some store-bought teas contain added sugars and artificial flavors, so always check the labels. So, which option is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. Here are a few quick tips to help you decide. Always on the go? Wellness shots could be your best bet. Got some downtime? Tea is perfect for relaxing. If you need hydration and relaxation, tea is ideal. But if you're after a concentrated nutrient boost, wellness shots might do the trick. Why choose one? You can incorporate both into your routine. Maybe start your day with a wellness shot and unwind at night with herbal tea. The great thing is there's no need to choose one over the other. Both wellness shots and teas have their place in a balanced lifestyle. Whether it's the quick kick from a wellness shot or the soothing calm from a cup of tea, find what works for you. Do you prefer wellness shots, tea, or both? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and click that subscribe button if you haven't yet. See you in the next video. Stay well.